You're going to begin by going to the class site. So once you're in Sim, go to where it says Files. Once you click on Files, you're going to notice a number of folders that are going to load on the right side of the screen. There's one that says Titan CNC, and if you click on that folder to open it, so now you're in this folder, the Titan CNC folder, you'll notice that there's a file in there. It says Titan Building Blocks. These are the tools. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on that. And it'll say Titan Building Blocks Tools.tools. And it'll say that you can't preview, but you can download it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download that. It'll ask you where do you want to save it. You can save it on your desktop, your downloads folder, wherever you're going to be able to find it afterwards. So I'm going to save mine on my desktop. And now once that's saved, I can then go into Fusion. And I want to make sure I am in the manufacturing part of Fusion. So here I am, I'm in Fusion. I'm in the manufacturing part of Fusion. And I'm going to go over to where it says Manage. And if I click on Manage, and I go down to Tool Library, my tool library will open up. And these are all the tools that are currently loaded in there. What I'm going to want to do is I'm going to click where it says Local. And when I do that, I have the options up here that will become shaded in. And there's one that has an arrow pointing down. That's an import little symbol. I'm going to click where it says Import Libraries. And then I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to find that Titan tool library that I just downloaded. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to hit Open. And now you'll notice I have another library that's added to my computer. It says Titan Building Blocks Tools. So these are all the tools that you need to complete the Titan activities.